I have a confidence that I can score better marks in SFM. Conceptual clarity, it was a good thing. He just asked us to stay back. He cleared everything from the scratch.
I'm getting a confidence that I can clear in this attempts itself, even if I'm studying all these things now. When we are hearing that there is only 6 days for a crash course, we will only expect that the faculty will bring up a 10 or 15 questions from a chapter and we will be solving that. But this was a super section where we were able to understand the concepts in 6 days actually.
After my school days, this is the first time I am seeing that a faculty taking care of his students.
Actually, he is concentrating on every individual students. That's what we won't get in a crash course. Crash is actually 15 days. This is a rapid revision. In spite of that, he is concentrating on everyone.
One thing would be on the first day, he asked us what we expect from him. So some faculties have a plan, like they do what they plan in these 4 days. They don't, they just go as per the plan. But he actually adjusted and changed his plans each day to accommodate those chapters or whatever we want to cover from his area.
We will miss you, sir. Seriously, after all this, after the 6 days, like you are like a family member to us.